Hello everyone, my name's Don Studebaker, it's my wife Maria.
Hi, hello.
And we started this project probably 3 months ago, trying to determine which company to go with. As Northern Virginia has hundreds of kitchen and bath remodelers. It's a tough decision to make, but we did have 5 companies come give us estimates and ideas to change what was 2 very small closets and a wasted space large bathroom to a more efficient bathroom and a much bigger closet. Unfortunately, the closet's not quite finished yet, but after getting all the bids and talking to all the contractors, we chose Prime Custom Kitchens and Baths. They were not the lowest price, they were not the highest price, but they seemed to be the one that was the most flexible in doing things the way we wanted it done, not necessarily telling us what they thought we should do. They did give us a lot of good design tips, but in the end kind of went with our idea and just refined it a bit. Our goal was to get a lot more storage space in our bathroom and a bigger shower, and we think we accomplished that in about maybe 2/3 of the space of the old bathroom, which allowed us to add a lot of space to the closet. When we started the process, it was begun just about at the same time COVID-19 virus hit hard in the Northern Virginia area. All of the people that came to work on the project were very professional. Everybody wore masks all the time. I probably didn't, but they did. It came on time every day. If they were going to be late, they let me know. And different people came to do different parts of the project. So the people that did the particular parts of the project, like the tile, were experts at the tile work and the electrical work. Johnny, who was the main contact throughout the whole thing, aside from the head boss, Camille, was great in telling me when he was going to do something that wanted me to approve, take a quick look at it. Maybe one good thing about the coronavirus is I was here every day, so I could oversee what they were doing, and he'd ask a lot of questions, and we think it turned out absolutely fantastic.
He changed the mind every time, and
Yes.
Always they take precaution and doing for everyone.
Yeah, there's a lot of upgrades in here from the original ideas, particularly some of the glass doors and things like that. We went through 7 change orders. I don't know if that's a lot or a little, but it seemed like we were changing something every week or so, but we think it turned out great. And Feliz in the shop. They did a great job. We met with her, I think, end of March, and ironed out the design. It changed a little bit from the original design, from when she first came out to take measurements. But after that, everything went very smooth. Contractor demolition started 8 a.m. on the day they said it would start, and it took some time. There was a lot of big concrete blocks in this old bathroom for some reason, who knows why, but they got them all out and everything was nice and smooth. Floor was leveled, and then they started the main part of the project, and it took a while to really appreciate what was being done. It was contract. It was construction site in here for about 2 months, probably a little longer than normal because of the COVID virus. Some of the parts were delayed, and no fault of Prime Custom. It's just the suppliers were a little behind, but everything got here in a timely manner, and got it in as quick as we could. It took maybe 7 weeks. I think it was about a week longer than he expected, but it got done. Plenty of time. We were in no hurry, so everything came out great, and I'm sure the video will be able to show some of the real pretty parts. Yes, we will continue to use Camille and Prime Custom. I've already spoke to him about another project. We actually plan to put in can't really call it a wine cellar, but a wine room under a spiral staircase. So I look forward to starting that, and probably 1 or 2 of the smaller bathrooms. Definitely recommend them to friends. Don't really have any family members around, so can't really do that, but definitely friends, and I already have recommended to one person. And I think as soon as they come out and see this, see the actual finished product, they'll understand why he's definitely worth at least getting a bid from and talking to, and hopefully use him in the future.